Truthfully, honestly, I know we're not meant to be, but maybe someday we can be in another life. It's beautifully sad to see that you were not meant for me.
You're the same color too.
Like no other, but you shouldn't be my lover. When souring our feelings is the only time that we pucker. I'm a sucker for women with an aloof attitude. I get to be a sleuth and uncover what's stashed in you, but I always come to find that I don't have the aptitude. I get mad at you and then we part ways down.
Giving you the best start.
Thank you, me.
Filet
Really? That's a lot.
and the sirloin.
Wait, that's a lot.
I'm trying to be honest with this pain that I got inside. See, I'd be happy if you found another guy, but saying that I moved on would be another lie.
Truthfully, honestly, I know we're not meant to be, but maybe someday we can be in another life.
Yeah.
It's beautifully sad to see that you were not meant for me, but hopefully your fate would be intertwined.
When we first came together, afraid of breaking apart, we found solace in the problems we could make in the art. You make my rhythm skip a beat, really breaking my heart. Stop motion, take a picture, we can frame and restart. And there's some pain to regard, but drop the nerves, forget the butterflies. Your touch so warm and golden, going through my skin like cutting knives. The truth for you is ruthless, you've been stuck around.
Mocha crumble frappuccino.
Mocha cookie crumble.
Mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. That's what I'm gonna get. We're gonna get.
Ow!
Oh my god.
What size would you like?
Grande is fine.
Thank you so much for choosing Starbucks. So can I start?
How you doing?
How are you?
Good. And then a grande iced coffee with sweetener and half and half.
Grande iced coffee, sweetener, half enough. You got it. Anything else?
That's it.
For sure, my man. I'll see you at the one for
Thank you.
878. You're welcome.
That's our friend though.
Oh yeah. My man.
My man. Where are we going?
Apple store.
And how many apples are we gonna buy?
Oh my goodness.
We're not perfect for each other, quite the opposite. But what we did together can be seen as an accomplishment. It's okay, I understand. Maybe you're just not monogamous, but liars play their hand and stretching every single promise. It's unbottled freed, not under lock and key. If we had to make a difference, I was glad it's you and me. I think that I'll be reminiscent for a month or 2 or 3, but if this course is for the best.
Hello there.
To memories shall make it last. Carry these away.
A lot of money.
It is. Kimchi.
Alright, you're all set. You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Treat yourself.
Better to get it now because I'm still student. I get student discount. And
Exactly.
I got new headphones.
New headphones.
Truthfully, honestly, I know we're not meant to be, but maybe someday we can be in another life. It's beautifully sad to see that you were not
twisting my tongue when the truth is what I utter. I stitch to stutter when my words sputter like a gutter. Cause I love you like no other, but you shouldn't be my lover. When souring off feeling is the only time we pucker. I'm a sucker for women with an aloof attitude. I get to be a sleuth and uncover what's stashed in you. But I always come to find that I don't have the aptitude. I get mad at you and then we part ways down the avenue. It's true, cause I know that you are not the gal for me. And everybody telling me that there are more fish in the sea. Ironically, I'm living with a seafood allergy. At the thought of a new woman catfishing me, I'm getting weak. Me, I'm kinda glad that we gave things an honest try. Now I'm trying to be honest with this pain that I got inside. See, I'd be happy if you found another guy, but saying that I moved on would be another lie.
Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Hey Siri, I need to download Final Cut Pro.
Okay, searching for Cut Pro on the App Store.
Oh my god, now I'm gonna be talking to the computer.
Peace away.
Yay! New Final Cut Pro is coming! Oh my god.
Away.
I'm sorry.